Hello everybody and welcome to this YouTube channel. I am Priyanka and this video is designed to help you walk you through the process of machine learning, the aims and objective of this YouTube channel and how to better utilize this channel. This YouTube channel is being divided into various sections of playlist, and now depending on your usage, you use that playlist. Now how do you determine that usage? The aim is to simplify the machine learning process for you. And this is what the objective is also, that you learn machine learning in a very systematic manner. So what has been done is, how do you start? You start with building a machine learning project. There's a separate playlist dedicated for machine learning projects. You pick up one project, ideally IDAS dataset, because this is the Hello World program of machine learning. This is a very simple machine learning project, and this will give you a hands-on experience on what all things are required for a machine learning project. So in a way, I can say that you are doing some kind of a reverse back propagation or back engineering, reverse engineering, and joining the dots so that you understand what needs to be studied now. So when you will build this project, you will understand that there's a need to understand what are pandas, what are libraries, what is Python in libraries, how is Python performing this data analysis. So you go on and study Python. You go into Python tutorial and understand the functions, the user-defined functions, data types in Python, and how to really utilize them. So in that way, you will utilize the libraries, the various playlists in Python. You go on and understand learning pandas, NumPy, what are these libraries and what do they really do, and what difference they can create in your machine learning project. So this machine learning project will also give you an edge for understanding the data. You'll go on further with visualization of this data. So there's a separate playlist called data visualization using pandas and Python. So you go ahead and see all the possible plots and libraries which you can utilize in your projects. And the main thing is that these libraries are being done and the plots are plotted using various projects. So this becomes more interesting to work with this data, because when you visualize these figures, these graphs, it tells a lot of information about your data, and you can use it in your presentation, in your projects. So another thing which is that your machine learning project, which is a playlist completely, which comprises of several machine learning projects, it gives you a hands-on experience on how to really build a machine learning project from scratch. So there's an end-to-end deployment of the project. You will also get resources, like you will get a description box. In the description box, you will get a link wherein you can get the code of this entire machine learning project. And you can later on use this course for building your own machine learning project. So you can, from zero, if you are starting, you can be sure that you will be at a very comfortable level, and you can be at a beginner intermediate level depending on the grasp and intake you have. There's another separate playlist of machine learning algorithms which you can use when you go on to testing and training of your model, wherein you will use this machine learning algorithm concept, that which algorithm is being used and why am I using that algorithm, and can I use all the algorithms. So when you start asking such questions, you are digging deep into the data, because you want to find out how can I better make my predictions, how can I better do my task. So when you start questioning, you will start seeking the answers, and this is where your data science soul wakes you up. So this is very important, that you ask questions, the right questions, and start looking for answers. So these playlists will help you and walk you through the process of machine learning, and that is what the aim and objective of this entire machine learning project and this YouTube channel is. Further, I will take on to deep learning and also NLTK. And till now, let's just start with the project building process. And happy learning and enjoy the process. Thank you.